What's up, YouTube? Taurus from Apex and Chill. Me and Tucker are on the way to our second shoot of the day. Our first shoot was a little bit bunked. The client didn't get back to us in time, so we ended up just doing a vlog with our own cars and scouting some locations. Luckily, this guy is a close friend of mine, and I'm hoping to God that he actually shows up. It's gonna be fun. When a client actually shows up.
We must not be careful to startle the photographer, for he is in his...
Bitch, what I tell you about filming me?
So Richie, tell us something a little bit about this car.
That's a 1986 Dodge Conquest. I've owned it for about 5 years now. For a while now, the plan's been to LS swap it, but still hasn't had still no LS in it. I bought it from the original owner. Bought it from about 72,000 miles. I just hit about 105,000 miles on it. So it's been running pretty strong lately, so I've had no reason to pull the motor.
I gave him a sticker. I need a thumbs up.
Good job, buddy.
Boss gave me a gold star today. Director Racine.
Don't forget your longboard there.
Moving locations again, because
Hey,
nothing's good enough for him. all right. Give me the inside scoop. How's the shoot going so far?
It's
You know, I'm pretty modest about it sometimes, but being the director of marketing, it's some pretty hard work. You know, I gotta be like, hey Tucker, go over there, that's a good shot. Hey Tucker, why don't you do it from that angle? Life is tough. You know, but I do it because I love him. Yeah, I do it because I love him. Daily News, how you doing today, sir? How you doing today, sir? So we heard you're doing a photo shoot with the Conquest. Pretty good so far, I hope?
yeah. Took pictures and good angles.
Yeah.
That's the question, man.
You heard it here first, folks. He took pictures. Yo, Tucker, you're in the way of the vlog. You're in the way of me doing the vlog. Another successful shoot with Apex and Chill. Bye, Richie. I love you, Richie. It's a LSX swap, Richie. Cool. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, invite your friends. It's good stuff. Hey, Tucker.
Hey.
I hate you.
No, you don't. You love me.
Lies. Turbo noises with Tucker Racine.